Hello mama and welcome back. In this tutorial we will go through the basic steps of using a breast pump so you can pump safely and comfortably. The first step is preparation. Wash your hands thoroughly and make sure all pump parts are clean and dry. Next, find a comfortable place to sit. Relaxing your body helps milk flow more naturally. Place the pump flange over your nipple and make sure the nipple is centered inside the flange tunnel. Now begin pumping slowly. At the beginning, use quick gentle squeezes to stimulate your milk let-down reflex. After a short time, milk will usually begin to flow. When that happens, switch to slower and deeper squeezes. Keep a steady rhythm that feels comfortable for you. You can also gently massage your breast while pumping to help move more milk toward the nipple. Pump for about 10 minutes on the first breast. After that, move the pump to the second breast and repeat the process. When the session is finished, transfer the milk into a clean storage container and store it safely. Finally, wash and dry all pump parts so they are ready for your next pumping session. Learning to pump takes time and practice, but many mothers find that it becomes easier with experience. Thank you for watching and supporting your baby with breastfeeding.